the beginning, the beginning, beginning, the beginning, beginning, the beginning.
Hey guys! Did you miss me? Oh my god. It's been such a long time since I've made a vlog review kind of video. I've been busy just doing the different hair colors and just short videos because they're easier to do instead of this. But now that I'm going to be doing this again, it's because this video is going to be very interesting because we are going to take a look at Colorette's latest hairline called Colourette. So here it is. This is the Colorette's Bleach Cloud kit. That packaging is so pretty. I'm a sucker for holographics. And then they also sent me one free color. I chose the green one. This is Aurora Green. So we're just gonna get in depth just a little bit. And with these products, I would like to thank Colourette for sending in these products so that we can give our input on the products and what we think, what needs improvement, etc., or how we feel about it. And so far, first impression, they already knocked it out of the park. Come on. So let's take a look inside on what's inside this bleach kit. So here we have what contains inside this kit. First, you get the bleach powder. That's 167 grams. Here it is. It comes with the developer, 30 volume. You know what's very interesting in this developer? Usually developers smell really bad. This one, however, it doesn't smell as bad as other developers I've ever tried before. This one is like, it's subtle, you know, like less chemically. And then the kit also comes with a bowl and a brush. I like this shade of like peach pink. I think this is their signature color for Colourette. So here we have the brush. I'm guessing this is for obviously like the bleach right application. Usually for these kinds of combs, you apply them for your hair color so that you can distribute them easily and equally. So like better distribution. And then we have the bowl, and then there's measurements at the bottom of the bowl. There we go, it's right there, yeah. I don't know how to use those measurements, so I just eyeballed them, you know, I'm so sorry. And then you also get free black latex gloves. And then we have the instructions kit over here. Instructions sheet. Oh gosh. So it comes in 4 languages / dialects because here, this one's in English, Tagalog, Filipino, and then this one is, if I remember correctly, it's Bisaya tsaka Ilocano. So that's very, very inclusive. Thank you so much. That's very considerate of them. So I really like that one. So yeah, that's what's inside of this kit. I'm very excited. But Gian, you already have blonde hair. Well, I'm gonna be retouching my roots. If you guys have seen Miss Nina's vlog where she also retouched her roots, she said that she just did 1 round and then it looked so bright. I can't wait. I really can't wait. Now for the color, however, I'm not gonna use this yet because ever since I found out how to achieve white hair, I've been trying to keep white hair for a while because I'm trying to savor that. But I will use this definitely, of course. So let's go through the dye. So here it is. It's also in holographic, and I got the dye and the box's dye, which means, yes, that each box's color depends on the color of the dye. Here we have the description. Here we have the ingredients list, and then the instructions. I really just love this silver printing. It's so good. It's so good. Then when you open it, Colourette says, meet your, and then there, like, do you love bold and fun colors? And then it's a question, it's a trick question, yes! And it includes other fun questions as well. I really like that. Like instead of just, they could have just left this plain white, but they didn't. Here is the tub itself. Look at that. Again with the silver foiling. I love that the label feels expensive, I think. Oh my god. Now, as far as I can remember, maybe I'll just put it in the text here of the price for this. For the Bleach Cloud, that's, and then for the Sky Dye, it's, yeah. Now we're gonna open it, show you what it looks like. There it is. The reason why it looks like that, it's because the green for this is more cool toned. So like more, they're really going for more emerald. In the camera, it doesn't read as green as much, but I promise you, in person, it really looks more green. And here's the fun part. They smell like coconuts. Specifically for me, it smells like macaroons. Like, have you ever had Goldilocks macaroons? There, that's exactly what it smells like. Very sweet. I love it. Now, we shall see. We shall test how much lifting can Bleach Cloud do. So before I bleach, I already coated this with coconut oil so that I can, because since my ends have already been lightened, it will be prevented from further damage, because whenever I try to retouch my roots, there will be some bleach that would touch the ends, and then so it would further damage my hair even more. So I just coated it with coconut oil, and then here we go, we're good to go. I'm just gonna clip these sections before I go in with sides and the back. Okay, so now I've already sectioned my hair just for the sides and then the back, and then I just put on the gloves. The black is so sexy. Maybe I should get like black gloves more often. So here's the powder. It says it's white powder, which for me that's actually kind of interesting, because usually bleach powder is usually blue or purple so that it can cancel out more of the blondes, so that it can be less brassy. But I mean, we'll see. It could still lift like better, because some other CCOs in the colored hair community have already tried it. It does look kind of light in the picture. Here it is. There we go. It is white. Yeah, Bear brand. How much do I put? Oh, more. Now, it also says in the instructions that the ratio of the bleach to developer is 1 to 1.5. So there we go. We're just gonna put the developer. That's my boyfriend, by the way. Alright, let's just put in the developer. Then that means there should be more developer than the bleach powder, so that you want your mixture to be creamy. You don't want your mixture to be feeling a bit dry-ish, like you're feeling the particles of the powder. Now, to be honest, I can't tell if this is 1 to 1.5 ratio. I can't tell. So let's just cover until I can't see the powder anymore. There's my developer. Now we shall mix. I also want to see how easy this tool it is to use, because I have to be honest, I'm not a fan of these kinds of brushes. Whatever, it is what it is. Okay, I've already mixed the mixture, and in fairness, actually it's pretty easy to mix with. That's one of the parts that I'm surprised with. Or maybe it's because I put a lot of developer. Creamy consistency. The ear protector things, stick that there. Alright, and let's do this. Now, whenever I bleach, I always start at the back, because the back side has the thickest amount of hair that we have. Okay, so I called my boyfriend's help for this one, because I hate bleaching the backside because it's always a hit or miss. And there it goes. Say hi, Aaron. Hi, Aaron. Wow. And
Better?
yeah. This is so tricky. Oh my god.
So na buong likod lalagyan?
Oh well, yeah, I guess.
Sige,
Kasi
kaya ko
hirap
yun.
Sige. Okay, I can already feel some burning sensation. It's happening. Yung dito ka sensitive. Biglang nga, parang ano nangyayari na?
Pati dito, no?
Yo.
Yung sa sides ikaw na, no? Sa back lang ako.
Oh yes, yeah. Like the rest, I think I can handle naman. Yung back na talaga yung mahirap. Whew. Okay, so the back is almost coated. Thank you to Aaron. But shit, oh my god. Like, I don't know, guys, but my scalp is starting to burn so bad. I don't want to scare other people thinking like, oh my god, my scalp is gonna hurt. Oh my god. Like, no, like it depends on people. Because, you know, pain is subjective.
Yeah.
Bye. I have to really... This really hurts. Oh my god. Okay, now that I've done the sides and the back. Holy shit! This is burning my scalp. Oh. But again, it depends on other people. That's just me. Maybe the other people, they can like, maybe they'll be okay with the pain. Oh, I just spilled some bleach powder. Okay, now let's do the rest of my roots. Oh, come on. I think I'll start at the back first.
Oh no. Such iced coffee.
Thanks, big boy. how did I do this the last time? The last time I retouched my roots, it was all good. It was all fine. But now I'm doing it again and I'm like, I'm just screwing it up. But I mean, on the bright side though, on the bright side, I'm checking it and it looks promising. Okay, so I even though it hurts, I can see like the outcome, so I can expect good things from this. This should be great. This should be good. This should be fine. This should be fine. In sections. Okay. I didn't get all of it. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm done. Retouching my roots. I just finished the top part. Okay, so I first bleached from here to here. So I really still gotta wait for like 30 minutes. So like while I was bleaching though, I already checked the sides and look at that. Wow, that seriously looks so good. So that means I have high hopes for this. So despite all the pain, I really think this is gonna turn out so good. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, bye. Oh my god.
The beginning, the beginning, beginning, the beginning.
Okay guys, I'm back. And okay, so I did retouch the roots and the results. And then the sides. This lip is, this is still a little golden, but it's fine. This is almost, is this a level 9? I think this is more than level 9 now. This is like way too bright. Holy craparella. This lip is insane. I love this. And even in the back here, I'll show the back. This is care of my boyfriend. Thanks, Aaron. It does look so good. So, first impressions in retouching the roots in my hair with Colourette Colourette Bleach Cloud Hair Bleaching Kit. It's a mouthful. 2 thumbs up. It's so good. It's really good. Here's the downsides. As you've seen, I was suffering from the burns. I think I have a lot of wounds in my back, as you can see. I don't know. But yeah, but again, I'm really trying to put a disclaimer here. The pain is subjective because it could affect other people in a different way. Like there was some one of the admins tried the bleach and then it didn't really hurt them as much. And then for example, like Miss Nina, it hurt her, but just a tiny bit while I was suffering. So it really depends on other people using it. I mean, that shouldn't stop you because bleach anyway burns your scalp. So, I mean, what are you gonna do, right? I think this is really safe to say that this is platinum blonde. And now, yeah, there we go. That's my final thoughts with the bleach. I have to say this is a very more than just solid. Like, this is a very good bleaching kit. I'm telling you. I was doubting at first that it was white powder because usually it's supposed to be like blue or purple, but then I was like, never mind. But I feel like it lifted so fast is because I think the ingredients here are kind of more active than usual. Okay, I have to admit, of all the bleaches that I've tested, this is by far for me like the strongest. This is the strongest, I think so. Because after only a few minutes, just a few minutes, like 5 minutes, the sides of my hair became level 8 already. There are some bleaches that takes like 30 minutes just to reach level 8. Like, what is that? Right? We don't want that, no. But this is just roots retouch. So I only have a few left. So that means if I wanted to bleach my hair fully, maybe I should have had like 2 kits. 2 or 2.5 kits just to be sure, because it's always good to have more bleach than have like not enough bleach, you know? So yeah, final thoughts. This is highly recommended. Colourette has done it again. Again, wow, parang na-try ko yung ibang products nila. This is just like my first product. So that concludes this video for Colorette's Bleach Cloud Bleaching Kit. I would love to give a huge thank you to Miss Nina and the Colourette team for sending us these bleach kits and the colors. And I would also love to thank the admins of the Colored Hair Community PH for giving us this opportunity for us to be able to do this, to give our input on these products, because as Miss Nina said, one of our inspirations in making these hairlines is because of our community and for the colors that we posted there in the page. So thank you so much that you've used our page as your inspiration. So thank you so much for that. I feel so honored. Okay, now I'm gonna go now. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.